looks like. So currently it's 9 AM in the morning and I'm sipping my honey lemon water. So now I'll take a short walk and then I'll go and make some breakfast. Today I have to attend an event with Aroma Magic, and that's my Dr. Roshan Kocha. So yeah, I just came from parlor because my eyebrows were bushy and also I needed some waxing. Go. I'll cook lunch for myself now and then I'll start getting ready. So the event is at 3 PM. So currently it's 1:30 PM and I'll start getting ready. So I'm using this primer for priming my face. So priming is really important for any makeup that you are doing because it really gives a matte finish and even base. So if you follow me on Instagram, I applied a hair mask that I DIYed myself. So if you are not following me on Instagram, then go follow my ID Neetu. So yeah, now I'll be putting this Polystop facial spray. This will really help me in blending out my makeup. This is the foundation that I'm going to apply. I take a drop, then I just tap it a little bit, then I pat it on my face. Also don't forget your neck. So I'm gonna blend my base using this brush. This is a Real Techniques Expert Base Brush. Always try to blend it downwards because if you will apply the base upward direction, then it will enter into your pores, which is not good for your skin. So always try to blend it downwards like this. So you can see just for attending an event you have to do so much. Like I have started getting ready since yesterday. I made some DIY hair mask and then I applied my nail paint. Fortunately I had a bit time today, so that I went to parlor to get my body waxed and also threading. Then I'll be applying my compact, L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact. It's really one of my favorite. I'll be taking the Real Techniques brush. I'll swirl it like this. Now I'll be doing my contouring and also blush and a highlighter. So I'm using this palette from LA Girl. So there are two blushes out here and then a contour and then a highlighter. If you are a beginner and want to know more about makeup brushes, then you can check out my makeup brush collection video. I'll put the link in the description bar below. This is done by my pet, so yeah, real struggle of being pet owner. Then I'm taking this fan brush. This I got from Flipkart or Amazon, I don't remember. So I'm going to take this highlighter from this palette. Now I'll take the Maybelline Nudes palette. I'll take the brown shade from here. Also the things I'm showing you in this video is just half of the thing that YouTubers do. Like if I have to go for a photo shoot for my Instagram, also if I'll have to shoot a video, these are very time consuming things. Also like your daily household works and you're like going to market for your groceries or cleaning your house. So all the stuffs, like I'll tell you, you don't get even time to meet with your friends, and that's one of sad part of being a YouTuber. So yeah, I'll fill up my eyebrows now. Wipe your finger like this, it will even out the eyebrows. So now I'll cut my lashes using an eyelash curler. I got this from Forever 21 for around 150-120 rupees. This is my eyelash currently, and after curling my eyelashes I'll show you what's the difference that it creates. See. Now I'll be applying eyeliner. This is not costly. This is around 100 rupees and it's very good. This is the applicator from L&T that I have kept in this Lakme bottle. In my lower lash line, I'll apply this shade from here. All the golden and purple brushes are from Real Techniques and all the black brushes are from BS Mall. If you are doing your eye makeup, always try to keep first half of your eyes with a bright color, next half with some dark colors. In that case, your eyes will look brighter and also larger. Now I'll take this shade. I should apply my eyeshadows before the eyeliner, but I forgot. Shade out here. I'll use my powder brush to remove all the fallouts. I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So people who think that YouTubers don't do anything just sitting at home, no, it takes a lot of time and strength to make a YouTube video. Apart from doing all your household works and then creating video and then editing, uploading, also going for shoots, attending events, takes a lot of time and effort, guys. So this is one of my favorite kajal. I only use Maybelline kajals. Now I'll be applying lipstick, which is the best part of makeup. So the first shade that I'm using is this LA Girl Matte Lively Violet. It's from 9 to 5 range. I'll be mixing this. To make my eye makeup more brighter, I'll use this golden shade. This Polio Stop facial spray is from Chrono Care and I'll sprinkle all over my face at last.
On a tree, I'm just sitting here.
That's my makeup look for today's event. So yeah, let's meet at the event. Next day of the event and I was so tired last night. Got a goodie bag from the event. This is the perfume that I made for myself. So the next thing that I got Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub. So this reduces fine lines and also remineralizes and brightens the skin. Next thing that I got is this aloe vera sunscreen gel. So this was of SPF 20 and this has all natural mineral lines.